googly folk! I'm Goo-Tech, winging it and googling it, all rolled into one. My real name is Melinda Holt, and I'm currently a trainer for a leadership project called OTAN, which supports adult education in California. I show adult educators all the different ways they can use Google tools in their classroom, with their students, and with each other. My ultimate goal is to become a Google certified trainer. Why? Because I love Google. If it has to do with Google, I'm on it. Forms and sheets and slides, oh my! Keep, save, and draw on the fly. If there's a task, there's a Google for it. And that's what it's all about, to train educators and support staff how to find and use the Googles they need for education. Enough about me. Now you all know you can share files online, right? If not, wait for that video. Right now I'm going to show you an aspect of sharing that you might not have known existed. Get out the popcorn and chew fast. This is a quick show. This video is going to be about how to change ownership in Google Drive. First, you have to get to the share of the folder or the file. You can do that several ways. You can right-click on the folder or file, and that'll open up a pop-up window where you can go to share. Here's a file here that I'm going to change the ownership for. Now remember, you can right-click, you get the pop-up window, you can go up into the path, or with a file, you can actually open up the file and then select the share button. All three ways will get you to this share with others window. We want the advanced link. From here, I'm going to click is owner for the person that was the editor, and notice that this account that used to own it is changed to edit. After you make somebody else the owner, you click the Save Changes button, and you'll get this message asking you, are you sure? It's going to remind you that the new owner is going to be notified, but it's also going to tell you you might not be able to make any other changes on this file, and the new owner could also remove your access because they are the owner. Remember, an owner of a file or a folder rules supreme on the Google Drive. I'm going to go ahead and say yes. And here you see that the person that the file was shared with is now the owner, and the Google Init account, which used to be the owner, is now an editor. Can I make myself an owner again? Let's try it. I'm going to hit the Save Changes button, and I'm going to get this message again. There's an internal error because you are not the owner. You cannot make yourself an owner if you are an editor of a file or a folder. It's now owned by Goo-Tech. And transferring ownership is just that simple. That's it for today, folks.